Watch me open up this box and it's like the wrong part. That's pretty cool. Fresh, straight from China. Oh, I'm hitting the car. Fuck. Wow. Yeah, that's the part I need for sure. Get off. Oh, don't you worry, guys. There's only like 1,000,002 spots worth of shit could bolt in. I can't wait to do this. I'm gonna take this bumper off. I'm gonna take these headlights back off. Can't wait. Okay, so I just found out that the horns are also bolted to this. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Listen, I'm from PA, but I'm not that PA-in. Here in PA, people will lay on their horn for like 5 whole minutes for just one little minor inconvenience. Like, God forbid, you don't move when the light turns green for 5 seconds. 5, maybe 2 seconds, and then someone's like, "Whirr!" This bolt right here is beginning to become a pain in the ass to get off. So what I think I'm gonna have to do is get a jack, lift this up. Fuck you. Now I got this to sit nicely now, because some idiot put some radiator hoses in the fucking way. Weightless. Holy shit balls, man. Look at that. All these hoses are attached to this. Isn't gonna end well. What the fuck was that? Is that a notification? Adidas? Jesus Christ, leave me alone. Oh, I think you should buy some clothes right now. I'm already poor, man. It's broken. If I were a pair of pliers, where would I be? These might not be the right ones, but you know what? They might work. Maybe it's just not supposed to come off this part. Bada bing, bada. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm starting to think that wasn't supposed to come off. Probably gonna lose coolant everywhere, all over the engine. Oh, or not. I'm really afraid that I fucking broke that. Like, I'm so stupid. So I just fucked up the radiator hose. I don't know what that shit is. It's all inside this. I think it's supposed to be plastic like the rest of this, but it's so like broken and deteriorated. Like, I don't know what the fuck it's supposed to be. It's what the fuck? So I'm gonna have to go to fucking AutoZone, I guess.
Poopy cock. Poopy cock. Yeah!
I'm one minor inconvenience away from losing my shit. Woohoo! Get the fuck out! Ow, the fucking engine's hot. I'm about to fucking Kurt Cobain myself. Jesus Christ. Ah, you bitch. Get out of there! Get out of there! That's not a good sound. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Okay. What's this? What's this for? What's this thing for? You know what it is? It's in my goddamn way. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I have to get a bucket. Fuck me. Come on. Well, I still got you. Oh shit. I got like 20% of it in the bucket. Get out of here. I don't have any open-ended wrenches. Because why? Why would I, you know? Who needs those when you have vice grips? There it goes. That looks like transmission fluid. That's that. Just get off. Just get off. Just get off. Fuck. I got it. Oh my god. Oh no. Shit. Stop. Get off the fucking bucket. I'm so fucking done. There's parts everywhere. The radiator fan's broken. I don't care. It's gonna have to go back in the way it is. These are the transmission lines. I think. I don't know, man. And it appears that the radiator screws back on. So that's just fucking peak Chrysler quality right there. Well, I just broke my fucking ratchet. That's awesome. It's just not, it won't move. This is the shittiest, rustiest piece of fucking shit. Oh my god. Fucking stop. Oh my god. Done for. Cool. Okay, so I got everything back together. I didn't record any of it because my parents decided to help. But, you know, we got it back together. Found out this fan's broken. But it still works. I just need to put that hose back on. Oh, that's nice. I could barely fucking reach that. Cool. Okay, so I just discovered that down there. What the fuck is that? It was a pain in the dick, but I got it back on. And I think that one's in. Mostly. It's not even in, actually. Oh, fuck. You know what? I'd say that's better. Good enough. Let's fill this motherfucker up. It just started raining now. That's great. We're gonna fill it with coolant. If I were a funnel, where the fuck would I be? Ooh. I know. All the car stuff is in here. No, it's fucking not. Oh, there's one. It's really small, but it'll do. Ooh, it's raining harder. Cool. I still gotta put those lights in and everything else. Cool, it's only raining harder and harder. I fucking love PA. Ah, yes, spill all over the side of the car. Holy fucking shit. It's only raining harder and harder. What the fuck? I don't know what the fuck that was all about, but like, holy shit. It's starting to rain harder again. Fuck. What? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck, man? Why is it raining so fucking hard? What the fuck? God damn it, I hate this fuck. Alright, I got that other headlight in. There's still a little gap, but it's a straight gap, so I don't know. Maybe the fender's fucked up. I'm sure it is. I gotta put this headlight in. Awesome. Yeah, you fucking piece of shit. Yeah, fuck you. Ah, you fucking cunt. Yeah, no, I see that. Yeah, I am.
Why don't you just wait?
Well, if I don't know, man. I just want to get it done. Stop fucking moving! Of course that one still doesn't work. Why would it? Whatever. Time to put the bumper on. Also want to show this cool thing I got. It's a little magnetic dish for all my bolts. Just when I didn't need it, you know? Fuck me. Oh, fuck you! Fucking cocksucking piece of shit. You goddamn cocksucker. Ah, piece of shit. Just gotta get this side in. Maybe it won't be a pain in the ass. Maybe it will be a pain in the ass. But I guarantee it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Because everything on this car so far has been a pain in my fucking ass. But it's been happening. Oh. Look at that. Looks so much better. Well, other than it being red. No, it doesn't look too bad. Let's give this shit a try. I'm going for it. Oh shit! Oh, no fucking way. Whoa. Did you see that shit? It just kind of bounced up out of nowhere. Don't like that. You piece of shit. God damn it. What the fuck? Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Everything was fine for a second, you know? It worked, it was cooling, and then this hose came loose. That's not supposed to be like that. I'm starting to get fed up with this piece of shit.